everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my finale for Child of the 80s. Normally I would be super sad about doing a finale, but this project is coming back next year, bigger and better, which is awesome. There is going to be, appropriately enough, 80 prompts for this project, and I'm going to do mine a little bit different next year. I just kind of did the prompts as they came, and if I got repeats, I got repeats. I think next year when I roll them, I am going to put them in a wheel where once I get a prompt, it actually pulls it out so I don't get it again until I get through all 80. And, you know, then I can start over again. But there were some prompts that I missed in it this year, and I don't want to miss any for next year. So I'm not gonna come into it and put all 80 products in. I can't do that. But I am going to do it. I'm going to tweak it just a little bit because I want to be able to do all the prompts. If I can. Anyway, this was a PANtastic Ladies collab. It is all about the 80s. This was created by Jaylon. She's brilliant. She creates a bunch of stuff for us. And it was year long. So it started on January 1, goes until December 31. I'm ending it just a hair early because, you know, it's pretty much a month of finales and you got to fit them in somewhere. So this was one of the later finales that I did because I had a few products that I was so close on and I just really wanted to get them done. And some of them I didn't get done at all. I'm going to go through the ones that are going to continue, that are going to go back into my collection, and then I will show you all of my empties. All right, for Star Wars, that was prompt 9, something glittery. I chose the ColourPop Glitter Gel in Break the Ice. I didn't use this nearly as much as I thought I would. And, I mean, I did use it, but I probably only used it a handful of times the entire year. It was such a crazy year this year that even when it was like the hot months when I would like put it on me, I didn't have any energy. I was spending so much time gardening and canning and not canning, but preserving for my freezer and stuff like that. I didn't have the energy and I didn't have the desire to use it. So unfortunately, I didn't make a lot of progress on that one. 32 Valley Girl Something Glossy or Shiny. The Revlon Kiss Plumping Lip Cream in Nude Honey. I only used this a few times as well. It is a very similar color to something that I was trying to pan all year long in Partners in Cream. And I didn't even finish that one because it was much larger. But yeah, it just didn't happen, unfortunately. And, you know, it's going back in my collection. And the only other thing that I was unable to finish was another 9 Star Wars, something glittery, and it is another ColourPop Glitter Gel. This is an After Party. I did make more progress on this one, but, you know, still didn't finish it. I knew I wasn't going to be able to finish this. I've actually rolled this into another project, into my Panter's Pan for Madi, and so I'm going to continue working on this one, even though it's not going to be in this project anymore. All right, now the ones that I did finish, one was a usage product, and that was the Jessica Nails Phenomenal Oil. I wanted to use this 20 times, and I did. I might have actually used it a few more times than that, just because this time of year, my like cuticles and everything gets really dry. I like this one. I don't know if I'm going to play around with this some more, or if I'm going to work on my Nourish Cuticle Cream. I'm not sure, but I need something this time of year, because my cuticles get dry. I know you guys get that problem too. I can't be the only one. I'm like super shiny today. I don't know what's going on with me. All right, so that one I met goal on. Everything else, dog hair, tasty. Everything else was to finish. So I have 33 shoulder pads. Had to do it, sorry, had to do it. A product that amplifies. It says like mascara, glitter. I'm pretty sure it had like highlighter and stuff like that, but it's cut off on my spreadsheet. For me, what amplifies my curls is gel. It's gel. So this is the Eco Style Argan Oil Styling Gel. I get this at Sally's. This thing is like just under $6 and it's wonderful. Made in the USA, cruelty free. And it works. It smells good. She's done. She is so done. I like this one, but I'm working on a different one right now that I like equally as well. The Argan Oil one has protein. The one that I'm working on now, which I believe is the Jamaican castor seed, or I don't remember. what is it called? Here it is. Black castor and flaxseed oil. I'm like, I've got words in there that I know should be in there. This one does not have protein, and there are times when my hair gets protein overload and I need to not have so much protein. So it's nice having options to be able to have with protein or without. So I did enjoy that. I will probably repurchase that because I like it and it's dirt cheap. I mean, and it works really well. All right, before I, have like more gushing of my love affair for that gel, let's get on to the next one. 26, the Moonwalk, a black or white item. I chose the Erno Laszlo Hydrotherapy Cleansing Oil. This technically still has like the tiniest little bit here in the bottom. That is going to be done tonight when I take my face off. It is great at removing makeup, doesn't leave like a greasy film. It's a good first step for, if you do the 2-step cleanse. I like that one a whole lot. So that one, even though it has a little bit in it, it's going to be done tonight. All right, 19, how rude. An expensive product. This is just a mini of a stupid expensive product. This is the Laszlo First Care Activating Serum. I did really like it a whole lot. This one for 8 milliliters, wow, words, 8 milliliters was $11.87. Can you imagine what the full size is? I want to say it's like, I thought this one was the one that was $120, but I'm pretty sure this one is in like the mid-80s range, but still, that's crazy expensive for a 1-ounce serum. Yeah. The last one, 25, I Want My MTV, the good old days. Something that reminds you of a song. So I chose the Avon Hydro Finish lipstick sample cards. There was 4 colors, and I had a band and or song for each one of the names. I have finished these. They were actually pretty nice. I seriously doubt Avon even makes these anymore. I've had these forever. They were nice. They were super creamy and hydrating, almost like a lip balm, but with color. I did like them, but I'm sure they don't make those anymore. Those are like ridiculously old. It is what it is. They were sealed. They were fine, and no oxygen got into them. They were absolutely completely sealed in there. They were fine. I liked it. All right, that is everything. So I finished or hit goal on 22 products. Not too shabby for a year-long project. Again, I will be doing this next year, and all the deets are down below of everyone that has joined in this year. Of course, check out Jalon and be on the lookout for this in January. If you want to join in, like I said, there's 80 prompts. I don't think anyone's going to be able to fit that much into a description box, so you probably would have to access that on the PANtastic Ladies Facebook group. I am having words issues tonight. It's going to be better. It's going to be better because there's a lot more prompts. Jalon put a lot of thought into this, and there were some people that gave her prompt ideas. She did give credit to everyone that suggested something, which I thought was really cool. So check it all out down below. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.